Hey guys, Xfer Serum here, back with another video. In this video, we'll be remaking the lead of Mike Williams' The Beat. If you want to know how the bass is made, make sure to check the previous video. I will link it down below. So, it will sound like this.
Bounce to the beat like.
So, if you want more presets like this, make sure to check the link down below. So now, let's dive into the lead. Select in the preset. And for us the A, we're gonna use the Monster 5 wavetable. This one. Put it up to unison. And lower down the detune a bit. Put the wavetable position all the way up. And select FM from B. For oscillator B, we're gonna use the sub bass oscillator. It's in the digital section. Over here. We're gonna lower down the level. And we're gonna put up the FM. Just right here. That shapes the sounds a bit already. So now enable the filter. We're gonna use the band pass. The band 12. Cut it from here. Put the drive and the fatness. Just like this. Lower down the mix a bit. Then we're gonna shape envelope 2. Lower down sustain, because it's quite a plucky sound. And put a release bit. Then right to the cutoff. Just for a little bit. And then we're gonna set the mono legato. And always, this will make it slide a bit more. Just like this. Then we're gonna give it some noise. So it's like noise. And route envelope 2 to the level. Just like this. So the last thing we're gonna do is give it a bit more punch. So shape envelope 3 like this. And route to the chorus bit. Just like this. And that's it. Now let's dive into the effects section. So first of all, select the hyper dimension. Put out the mix of the hyper all the way up. Select retrigger. Lower down the rate. And detune around here. This will give a more detuned effect. We're not going to use the dimension part. So now distort the sound a bit. Select the SIM. This one. And put the drive a bit. Just like this. Then we give a chorus effect. This will make it a bit wider. Like this. Then we use an OTT compression. Put it again. So now the sound got a bit too much lows. So enable the EQ. And select low cut. Just one here. We're gonna make it sound a bit bouncier, so select the bell filter and route envelope 2 to the gain. This one here. And then we're gonna select some reverb and delay to finish up the sound. So first reverb, put a low cut, because we don't want any lows in the sleeve. Lower down the decay a bit. Just one here. Then enable the decay. Just like this. Select the ping pong effect. And that's already it. There's your Mike Williams style lead. So, if you like this video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video.